We all know Mr. Ganesha is the first one people pray. So why can't we make him the echo entity? Because you believe he removes all your obstacles. But the arrival of Ganesh Chaturthi is bringing more and more obstacles to nature, not because of his fault, but because of our faulty practices and procedures. It's also celebrated in many countries without much pollution, unlike in India. Purpose and objective should never be deviated from the righteous aspects. The reason Tilak started this festival celebrating strategy during Freedom Show was for togetherness, but today, without awareness and negligence, we are destroying the environmental sensibilities and contaminating it. Okay, let me go to the mythological factor which makes this festival so special. When Shiva cut off Ganpati said he intentionally joined the elephant's head so that humans will learn good logic imposed by Shiva, making sure wildlife has first priority. Because wildlife is the virtue and asset of human's life. But what we perceived about wildlife and nature is completely different and deceived ourselves. There is a line in Telugu, Manav Seva Madhav Seva. In reality, service to nature is the direct service to God because nature is the real visible God. Instead of these temporary constructions, arrangements, developments in the festival time, why can't we spend these funds, investments, and time on nature's restoration? We can really visit the elephant sanctuary and feed them. Just in the festival times, this will be a real happiness and also an absolute cherishment. Worry too much when a fest is over, even it comes next year without any delay. But what about nature's million species which rise by trillions of years and form themselves? Most of them are extinct, remaining are endangered. The species lost are irreplaceable. Tragically, yes, tragically, most of the losses occur due to our mistakes through our day-to-day activities. Already we spoil 90% of the nature. How many more years we need to realize and start revolting, acting, living for nature, for our mother nature?